Hi, I'm attorney Mark Blane, and today I want to talk about sternum injuries in a car crash or any injury-producing event in California. The one thing about sternum injuries that makes them very unique in a personal injury case is that they can be quite painful. Let me explain what it is. So the breastplate here is what protects our lungs, and we have a rib cage protection here. A lot of times you'll find in car crash cases, specifically if it's a front end crash or even a T-bone, you'll find either a partial fracture or a full fracture of the sternum plate. And so these sternum fractures, there's not a whole lot you can do with it because you can't cast them. And the problem with them is that they're so painful. Whenever you laugh, sneeze, giggle, it produces a lot of pain. And then the other end of it is it's very difficult to get a good night's sleep. I've got many cases that I've worked on that my clients tell me they couldn't get a really good night's sleep until 3 or 4 months into, post-collision. And that's a long time. Think about it. One of your main healing mechanisms when you get injured is sleep. Sleeping is probably the #1 thing you have to do and get right, because that's going to help heal your body. Well, imagine having an injury to your breastplate that causes pain and discomfort on a daily basis, especially at night. It interferes with that healing mechanism to get sleep. And so that is very important. And you need a lawyer that knows how to argue that to the insurance company and a judge or jury later, because that is part of your general damages for pain and suffering. It's a very important, serious diagnosis that cannot be overlooked. So whenever you have a partial or full sternum fracture, what I do is I get the medical records, I outline exactly what type of fracture it is, I put it in the demand with the CPT code and ICD and the coding for the diagnosis itself, because that's what they're going to need to evaluate the case. And for you, you're going to heal. It's going to take time, and you're going to have other injuries beyond the sternum plate, right? You're probably going to have the spine's going to be injured as well, but we're not going to overlook that sternum fracture, and we're going to argue for the full value. It's a high value driver on your case, and it deserves to be protected for you, and also to show the insurance company that this is what happened. It's a very important component of your injury story. So I hope this video gives you insight into what sternum injuries kind of are and how they can be really powerful in your case in terms of documentation. And remember, I make myself available to anyone, anytime, for any questions regarding this. If you got questions, give me a call, email me, text me. I make myself available to people like you every single day, and I'll be happy to see if I can help you out. With that said, stay strong and have a great day.